Recipe calculation. Launching the program. Launch WinMix using one of the known methods. Via the desktop shortcut. Or through the Start menu. Opening a recipe. Open one of the recent recipes in the Welcome window by double-clicking on it. Recipe calculation. A mathematical recipe is a combination of raw materials and nutrients with min-max constraints. Optimization allows finding the minimum cost of the recipe while meeting the specified constraints. If the list of raw materials, nutrients and constraints is defined, you can perform the calculation. Open Operations Optimize. The results will be displayed in the raw material table, nutrients table, and information panels. The optimization process uses linear programming algorithms. Optimization results. The share field shows the percentage of each raw material in the recipe. The value field displays the amount of each nutrient. In the bottom panel, Client contains the client's raw materials and their cost. Mill contains the mill raw materials and their cost. Total, the total cost of the recipe. Shadow, the price at which raw materials can be included in the recipe. In the top panel, Price, the recipe's cost per 1,000 kilograms and the difference from the previous calculation. Previous price, the result of the last calculation. Relative price, a parameter used for further analysis. If the constraints change, the recipe cost will also change. The results are updated, and indicators that have reached their limits are highlighted in color. Analysis of infeasible conditions. If the specified constraints contradict each other, the recipe cannot be calculated. In the raw material table, the share values will be empty. Indicators that cannot be achieved will be highlighted in red. For example, if min equals 75 is set for chlorine, the system will not find a solution. To fix this, constraints must be adjusted to values that are feasible within the recipe's parameters. In this lesson, you learned how to calculate a recipe, analyze the results, and adjust constraints to achieve an optimal solution.